Welcome to the Computational Thinking and Design MOOC-Ed. My name is Mark Sandberg, and I'm the Technology Innovations Lead here at the Friday Institute for Educational Innovation at NC State University. Over the next 8 weeks, we're going to be engaging in a process of learning about digital age problem solving, which is the intersection between design thinking, computational thinking, and data literacy. Digital age problem solving is a term that we're using to define the core skills and competencies that students will need to be able to solve 21st century digital age problems. Alternatively, you can think about this another way. Digital age problem solving is about using data and technology to solve real problems for real people. You may have heard about design thinking in your schools in the past few years. Design thinking has become a very popular term in education as a way to encourage students to engage in creative problem solving and creative design. Design thinking is a process that encourages designers to collect data about a problem, then use that to define and refine their problem, and then create a design and get iterative feedback along the way. Computational thinking is relatively new in education. It evolves from computer science, but is not necessarily focused on computer programming or coding. Rather, computational thinking describes the thought processes involved in taking a problem and breaking it down into very, very small components that a human or a computer can then use to analyze and create solutions. And throughout both computational thinking and design thinking, data is a very, very important component. So data literacy is the third element of digital age problem solving. And data literacy is more than being able to just do statistics or collect data or create a spreadsheet or a pie chart. Data literacy is the ability for students and all of us to collect, interpret, analyze, and then share data for other people to use and understand. Throughout this course, you'll have the opportunity to engage in a design thinking process using computational thinking skills and data throughout the course in order to design a product that you could potentially use in your classroom. You'll have the opportunity to hear from practitioners in various fields, including social sciences, architecture, engineering, public relations, and computer programming. These experts will talk about how they're using these skills in their daily practice as well, as these are not computer programming skills or engineering skills, but these are skills that can be used across disciplines. As educators, one of the things that I would like for you to keep in mind is that this is not necessarily something new or radically different in your classroom. Instead, think of digital age problem solving as a way to be intentional about some of the language that we use around problems or the process that we use around problems to prepare students for problem solving in the digital age. However, this is something that is useful across subject areas and grade levels without making many changes in classroom practice. During Unit 1, you'll have the opportunity to learn more about design thinking, computational thinking, and data literacy, and have the opportunity to start to brainstorm ways that you're already using these skills in your classroom and some things that you might be interested in trying out. You'll also have the opportunity to meet the other course participants and begin to build a professional network. Throughout the course, you'll have different opportunities to personalize your learning. Each unit will have a list of resources. You are free to browse as few or as many of those as you would like. Some will be videos and short articles. Some will be longer research papers. You should pick whichever ones make the most sense for you and whichever ones you would enjoy working with the most. You'll also have the opportunity to demonstrate your learning in a real-world context through micro-credentials. Using micro-credentials, you will be asked to take the skills that we're learning in the course, implement them in your context, and reflect on what you've learned. You can earn additional course credit by completing micro-credentials. I am really excited about this course, and I look forward to seeing all of you and interacting with you in the forums.